An educational video by Patanjali Rishikul, Prayagraj, for class 4, subject EVS 2 Science, topic Teeth. Hello children, in EVS 2 we have already completed the chapter Teeth, and today we will be doing recapitulation of that chapter. The process of digestion starts in the mouth itself. In the mouth, teeth, with the help of tongue, they break down the food. Babies are born without teeth. See here, no teeth is there. Children have 20 milk teeth, but these teeth start to fall out by the age of 5 or 6, and that's why we call it a temporary teeth. Now these teeth are replaced by strong permanent teeth. An adult human develops a total of 32 permanent teeth. Teeth are primarily made of calcium. There are 4 different types of teeth. Let us see what are they. Incisors, canine, premolars and molars. Incisors are chisel shaped to shovel the food inward. They are used to cut or bite the food. See the shape of the canine? They are used to tear the food. Premolars have flat surface. They are used for grinding or crushing the food. Molars are much bigger than the premolars and have a flatter chewing surface. Their function is to chew and grind the food into smaller pieces. Let us see different parts of a tooth. First of all, we will see that how tooth is fixed in sockets. They are fixed in socket in the bony jaw. See this, all these areas are made up of bones, and they are held in place by gums. See this, these are gum areas, and the tooth is held over here. Now let us see the different parts. A tooth has 2 main parts, crown and root. A part that is visible to us is crown, and rest of the part which is inside the gums is root. The hard white part is enamel or tooth enamel. They are mainly made of calcium, and the main function of enamel is to protect the tooth. Below the enamel is dentine area. It is called dentine, and it is as hard as bone. Now inside this dentine is the central area or central chamber of the tooth. Now this part of the tooth is having pulp, which is soft and is full of nerves and blood vessels. We can see this here. All this red color, blue and yellow color, they are what? They are blood vessels and nerves. And that's why the tooth is alive, as it has a constant supply of blood and is connected by nerves to the central nervous system. It is very important to take proper care of our teeth. Sugary and sticky food items invite germs. See this? This food are having more sugar and they are very sticky also. so we should avoid them. As we eat, small bits of food get stuck in the spaces between our teeth. These small bits must be cleaned out, otherwise a yellow sticky film known as plaque develops. These plaque encourages germs. These germs can damage our teeth, see this here, and cause tooth decay. The only way to get rid of this plaque is to brush and floss our teeth properly. We must brush our teeth twice a day, once in the morning before breakfast and once before we go to bed at night. We must brush our teeth for at least 2 minutes each time. We must also remember to rinse our mouth after every meal. Eating fresh fruits, vegetables and salads protects our teeth from germs. As we need to chew this type of food, it improves blood flow to the gums, and also the fibers present in them naturally cleans teeth and gums. We should also get our teeth examined by a dentist periodically. I hope children, you all have understood. Thank you.